Hi, it's Amanda, Creative Gardener, and if you stand this side of my henna plant, look at it. Look how glorious it is. Let me get a bit closer. But if you stand this side, you get the beautiful scent of the flowers which are coming out. So let's make our way closer. Let's get closer. So I've shared about this plant before, but it wasn't as big. And you get to see, let me just put my pickup tool. There we go. Ooh, you see carpenter bee in action there. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. It's such a delight to see the seeds on the neem tree. So gorgeous. Anyway, so Henna, we're focusing on you today. So these are the flowers as they start to form. So you'll see it in all different stages. So these are the flowers about to form here. You've got I should have started with the seed pods maybe. So here are the seed pods. Some of them have opened up there. And I've shown images of the seeds. Are very fine, and so they're the seed heads. If you look at this one, let's see if we can, how close we can get. You'll actually see how it's dried out, and you can actually see the seeds themselves. See those little sections in there? See all the seeds? Every single one of those seeds is a plant. It's amazing, isn't it? There's a wonderful saying that I've quoted over the years many a time. It talks about apples. It says you can count the amount of apples on a tree, but you can't count the amount of seeds. Sorry, the amount of trees in an apple. So we know that, oops, let me just get past here. Each apple seed is a tree. So here are, oh my gosh, the flowers are just, the aroma is beautiful. And I wonder which, I guess, the beneficial insects find this and are just amazed. So we've got quite a few up there. All of these, look, all of these are going to be blooming. So the flowers are very tiny. I do wonder if you can get, you can create a scented oil from them. I'm still doing my research, but I've got all of these to come. So we've had quite a bit of growth, and it's just since we had all that rain. And a while back, I collected a ton of seeds, and we've got a ton more forming as well, ready to harvest. And I must have scattered around the garden, because I was just like, I said to it, wherever you want to grow, you can grow. And so I took the seeds, collected about this much, and I guess in each one of these there must be at least 20 seeds. And I just started to scatter them, and I'll see if any grow. I haven't yet made henna paste. I haven't used it in that way yet, and I'm still I've had it for about a year, and it's grown this tall. I brought it as a plant, and it was about this size, not as bushy. It was very spindly, the one that I brought, and I left it in the pot for a good few months, and then I just took the pot around the garden to see what spot it might prefer. And then this spot wasn't too, we've got some shade from the pomegranate tree, and then we've got the moringa tree here and the neem tree. So it's semi-shaded until about, say, 1-2 o'clock. And it just started to grow. I haven't wanted to cut it at all. It's kind of leaning this way or stretching this way. So what I might do is take some cuttings. Let me move. But the smell is beautiful. I'm going to move around so I get the fullness of the scent. But yeah, thinking of maybe taking some actual cuttings and just allowing it to bush out even more and just kind of take up this space. Hello. And yeah, the scent is just divine. The birds fighting there. But that's my updated henna plant. And I will be doing some experiments and seeing what kind of dyes I can get, and also the properties of the leaves, of the seeds, how, whether the flowers, whether we can get some, you know, like scented oils. But it's such a beautiful smell to be able to capture that in a, you know, just say a massage oil, and see what the properties, whether you can extract some of the oils from the seeds. So all of that is really, I'm really interested in being able to do, and how I can use it in a creative way. As I said, dyes on fabric. So if you've got any tips or things that you use the henna for, then, as I know that you can, you know, on the skin. But if you've used it in a creative way, then do just leave a comment anyway. It doesn't have to be, you can say hi. But thank you for your visit today, and I'll look forward to keeping you updated.